So we meet again. So I'm up the mast, and this is the marina. I'm leaving this marina in a couple of days. We're just doing rig checks. Does this boat ever look wide from up here? So this is the dock I've lived on for the last few years. So these are the boats of friends of mine that I've made over that period of time. And there's my little craft. So we're out of here tomorrow. We got a few get-togethers tonight. Friends giving us a kick-off to say goodnight or say goodbye, and we're out of here. End of an era. Yeah, it's been fun. It's been a great marina to be at, and I'll get rid of my boat out of the slip, and 2 boats are coming in. They'll be glad to see me gone. Big fat pig. Anyway, Port of Sidney Marina in Sydney, British Columbia. We're out of here.
Here's Scott untying the line for the final time in Sydney. And the boat's taking off.
Bye, baby.
Bye-bye, sweetie. Love you.
Love you too. See you in a couple hours.
Yeah. Enjoy your trip.
I'm going to do some water skiing on the way out.
Have fun. What a patriotic guy. Bye. Wow. It's leaving Sydney and moving on to Nanaimo. Muskoka. Bye. End of an era. There it goes. Here I am, Sydney. Last time exiting the marina. Here's the empty dock space where Muskoka was. And I'm gonna head back through Sydney Harbor again. Beautiful. Tide's high. There's a runner. I'm videotaping this so I show Scott that I have the card. I'm giving it to you.
Please won't crash the port.
Take care, buddy.
Have fun, Scott. Enjoy your travels.
Thanks, Gord. See you later. There we go. Galleon Books and Antiques. There's the Fairway Market. Post office. Bakery. Street Cafe that's closing down. There's a florist. Chinese buffet. All day. Street Cafe. Tanner's Books.
Hey guys, I love you. Have a good trip. I will miss you.
Home Hardware. Spent a lot of time in there. And Capital Iron. Specialists. Lincoln Park. Well, it's happening. I'm driving the Porsche out of Rest Haven and highway, and it's working.